Hey folks, you're looking at a 10 by 10 Kodiak canvas tent. This is the back side. And I'm seasoning this tent. I've already washed off with the hose and everything else, and we got today's nice drizzly day. And I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's been out all night in this really thick, heavy fog. And it is beating off the canvas material like water off a duck's back. And that's exactly what I wanted in a tent. I needed something weather resistant, water resistant, waterproof. I'm sick of laying on the ground in a tent. So I decided to flip the bill and get something good that'll last me a goodly amount of time, maybe forever. Anyhow, I was able to attach this to the ground using some anchors and some little loops, and my concrete pad here. I could patch it up real easy. Go ahead and go inside. I did what the Aussie guy was recommending regarding zippers, and this right here, this part right here, is a little bit tough to open, but that's just part of the deal. Let's come on inside. Still smells like fresh vinyl. Love the windows. And here's the mesh. You guys can see how the mesh is. It is actually keeping the rain from coming inside. That is surprising. Little place here to dry off clothes. Put a little buddy heater in here or something along those lines. We got a little Coleman. Got this at the Goodwill. I got this little internal, external, exterior style carpet that'll work great. Here's the really thick, nice vinyl. When you open this tent brand new, it's going to have a vinyl-y kind of smell to it. So here's the very top. You just see there's no wetness at all here. It's been out soaking all night long. Here's the stitches. Like I said, I did all the zip. I have some food grade spray lubricant. I made a little mistake on that spot right there with the wrong stuff, which was a Teflon. Left a little white mark there, but all these zippers are super nice. It's just comfortable. Super comfortable. See, look at the water's coming in right there because of that. Let's go ahead and shut this. Try to be gentle. Be gentle. These zippers gonna last me 20 years. Flip that in there like that. Keep the little flap out there. Keep the rain out. Yeah, that came in because of me right now. So look closer. There's absolutely no rain coming in whatsoever. This is super nice, guys. Really thrilled about this tent. 10 by 10. Quick shout out to my buddy Doug down in Australia who works on the farms, works on the cotton farms. And Australia is known for making some fantastic stuff, including canvas, cotton canvas. And he works on them cotton fields, man. And Doug, I hope you're doing good. I hope you're having a wonderful, God blessed day. So, of course, one of the reasons why I bought this tent is for going out camping and enjoying things and having a good solid shelter that can take wind, and also as an emergency shelter in this crazy world we're living in. Good old soaking seasoning. Alright guys, I think the trick to keeping water from collecting on top of this porch awning deal is to actually roll it this way. Not easy. If you roll it this way, then water may not want to collect as much in that seam right there. But if you roll it this way, well, that's a place for water to collect. So I wouldn't recommend doing that. Well, this is a sweet tent.